These types of videos are going very viral on social media right now. Yes, I'm talking about Rubik's Cube object-making videos. They're creative, ridiculously satisfying, and honestly, some of the most visually unique AI content I've seen lately. And here's the best part. This type of content you can easily create using your own mobile phone with only free AI tools. No complicated editing, no expensive software, and you don't need to be an AI expert. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow to create them, and by the end, you'll be able to generate your own variations with almost any object or design you can imagine. So, make sure you watch until the end. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the video description. I've included a master prompt there. Copy the entire prompt and keep it ready. Open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral Rubik's Cube video ideas for you. You can choose literally any idea you like, but if you want even more options, just type more and hit send. And just like that, ChatGPT generates another group of ideas. You can keep doing this as many times as you want until you find an idea that really stands out. For this example, I'm going with number 10. Grizzly bear. So I simply type number 10 into the prompt box and hit send. And as you can see, ChatGPT now generates an extremely detailed video prompt specifically designed for that concept. And look at the length of this prompt. It's incredible. I simply copy the entire video prompt carefully, and once it's copied, I open Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and make sure you select the Omni Flash video model. Now, simply paste the video prompt into the prompt box and hit Generate. Then, just wait a few seconds for the video to finish generating. And there you go. Our video is ready. Now take a look at this. The result looks exactly like what we wanted. Creative, detailed, visually satisfying, and the Rubik's Cube transformation makes the whole thing incredibly eye-catching. Now let me show you one more time. First, copy the prompt. Now head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and it will give you the video idea. Pick one, as you like. Then put the idea number in the same chat, and it will give you the detailed video prompt. So, just copy the full video prompt, open Flow AI, paste the, and press enter. Now, here's the magic. It will give you the final video. So using this exact same workflow, you can create endless variations with completely different objects, shapes, characters, and designs. So instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to create, you can simply generate a new idea, get the prompt, and turn it into a video in just a few minutes. So, if you found this useful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Decoder AI, because I'll keep showing you the newest AI niches, tools, and workflows before they become completely saturated.